Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to illustrate rational algebraic expressions. A rational algebraic expression is simply a quotient of two polynomials p and q. In other words, it is a fraction p over q where q is not equal to 0. So meaning to say the denominator should not be equal to 0. So we have here examples. These are rational algebraic expressions. The denominators are not 0. Now one of the things here that we should learn about this lesson is how to evaluate rational algebraic expression at a given value of the variable. For example, evaluate 3 over x plus 1 for x equals 2. So here, we will just substitute x with 2. So we have here the numerator 3 and our denominator 2 plus 1 is also 3. So that's 3 over 3, which is equal to 1. Example number 2. Evaluate x plus 7 over 2x for x equals 9. So here, we will just substitute our x's with 9. So, for our numerator, it's 9 plus 7. For our denominator, it's 2 times 9. So, 9 plus 7 is 16 and 2 times 9 is 18. So it's 16 over 18 and we can still simplify this by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So our final answer is 8 over 9. Example number 3. Evaluate x plus 3 over x squared minus 2x plus 1 for x equals 2. Again, we will just substitute all the x's we have here with 2. So the numerator 2 plus 3 is 5, and then 2 squared is 4, minus 2 times 2 is also 4, then plus 1. So we have the numerator 2 plus 3, 5, denominator 4, minus 4 plus 1. And 4 minus 4 plus 1 is just 1, so it's 5 over 1 or 5. Okay, the other thing we have to learn about this lesson is how to find the value or the values of x that will make the denominator 0. For example, x plus 5 over x minus 3. So what we will do here is just equate the denominator to 0 and solve for x. So we have the denominator, x minus 3 equals 0, and then adding 3 on both sides of the equation, we have x equals 3. Example number 5. Okay, x plus 6 over x squared minus 5x minus 14. So again, we are going to equate the denominator to 0 and solve for x. So that means x squared minus 5x minus 14 equals 0. Now this quadratic trinomial is factorable, so we have to factor, okay, and then equate both factors to 0. So the factors of x squared minus 5x minus 14 are the quantity x minus 7 times the quantity x plus 2. So how is that? So the factors of x squared are x and x. The factors of negative 14 are negative 7 and 2. So we make sure that we use the factors that will give us the sum which is equal to the numerical coefficient of the middle term. So negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5. Now we are going to equate both factors to 0. So x minus 7 equals 0, and then x plus 2 equals 0. Then we are going to solve for x on both equations. So for the first equation, x minus 7 equals 0, adding 7 on both sides, so x equals 7. And for our second equation, subtracting 2 from both sides, we have x equals negative 2. So the answers are 7 and negative 2. Now, your turn. Evaluate its rational expression at x equals negative 3. So number 1, x squared minus 3 over 2x plus 4. And for item number 2, 5x plus 4 over 3x squared plus 4x minus 11. So this is for the first part, evaluating rational expressions. Okay, we still have a second part. So finding the value or the values of x that will make the denominator 0. So this is item number 3, 3x minus 1 over 2x plus 10. For number 4, 3x squared minus 5 over x squared minus 4x minus 12. You can pause the video, and if you are done, I can now show you the answer. For item number 1, the answer is negative 3. Okay, these are the details of the solution. And for item number 2, the answer is also negative 3. So we have here the details. And then for item number 3, the answer is x equals negative 5. So we have here the details also. And for item number 4, okay, the values of x are 6 and negative 2. We have here the details of the solution as well. Did you get the 4 items right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.